Good morning to all. Today I am going to share the new subject. It is the computer applications in business. So basically, in this particular course, we have to learn so many essential things like word processing. The word processing is basically used to write any document, write any letter. We can edit some kind of the text, find, replace, and formatting, spell checks, autocorrect, auto text, and after that we can also format in such a manner so that providing the bullets and numbering tabs. So these are the requirement of the word processing. In the second unit, we will learn the presentation schemes, how we can present our ideas, our working, our different analysis and different data into a very effective manner so that one can easily understand. So just for the presentation we need to have a drawing or some kind of the editing, inserting table, images, tags, symbols, media. So these are the basic things by which we can present our data in a very good manner. In the third unit, we have to learn the spreadsheet and business applications. So, what is the spreadsheet? What are the different concepts? How to manage the spreadsheet? What are the different format? And how we can design different spreadsheet in a manner so that the mathematical formulation, the statistical calculation, and financial, logical, each and everything is automated in the single spreadsheet so that one can easily analyze and can get the respective statistical or mathematical outputs throughout the sheet. In the fourth unit, we have to create this spreadsheet as per the business perspective. How we can have a capital budgeting, how we can have some financial or the accounting statement from the spreadsheet, and how these things can also be uh, presented in a good or the graphical representation. So this is the first or for most important thing for any financial aspect or any financial related applications. And in the final unit that is based on the database management system, in this unit we will try to learn some how to create tables, some SQL queries, some reports, some modules, and how we can apply different DBMS aspects in the different business perspective, in the different accountancy, in the inventory, in the HRM, or some other areas where employees, suppliers, and customers are required to work in such a manner so that they will have a database and the database will support to their respective application. So this is all about the syllabus which we have to learn. Now prior to this, I would like to share that why we are going to learn this particular paper or the course. The main aspect of this is that the most important of the computer in business. Why we have to use the computers? So first of all, we have to understand that the computer speeds up the business process and systems with top quality. So today's world is definitely working on the computers. It is really a very important tool to start anything. So we can use it as a online as well as for the offline business. Everywhere the computer is required. Everything has to be, every business has to be automated. Every manufacturing, marketing, every process requires some kind of the computation, some kind of the process. So that's why the computers are most important thing for any business. As nowadays the research, production, distribution, marketing, banking, team management, business automation, everywhere this is the demanding field. Without a computer, one cannot think that anything will be happen. Everywhere there is a need to have the computers. So that's why this particular paper is very important to understand any business, to manage any business, and to run any business. Now, I would like to share a few points, some reasons by which we can say that why the computers are very much important. The first one is the when anyone wants to start a business, they use computers. It is very much necessary because you have to start, you have to run anything. You need to have some internet browsers, some innovative solutions, Google's, each and everything. It is some everything is available on the computer. So we need to have computers. Whenever a business executive or the owner wants to start to execute their business or their idea, then definitely without the help of the computer they cannot do anything. So again the requirement of the computer is there. Whenever we need to have some kind of the printing, advertising, everywhere the computers are always welcomed. Without them we will not be able to do any task. Whenever we have to organize any advertisement, any marketing things, or any service related to the specific product, definitely there is a requirement of the computer as well as the internet connection. If I am talking about the business, then definitely we have to increase the business, we have to improve our sale. So whatever we have to improve, whatever we have to sell our product, then definitely with the help of computer, with the help of e-commerce based solutions, we can make sure that the sale will be increased very high, reducing cost and improving services, improving process is also the very important part of the computer. Without the computer we cannot think about the service, because the services can be improved, the cost can be reduced with the help of computers. Demand, its analysis, the product, its analysis, services and their analysis, each and everything can be done with the help of the computer. So these are the different requirement by which we can understand that the requirement of the computer is necessary for any business. So in this regard, I would like to congratulate to all of you that you are most welcome. You have opted this particular subject, and really I hope I ensure to all of you that after completion of this particular course, you will be able to do so many tasks related to the respective business, whatever the business we have to do. And definitely with the help of this particular subject or the course, you will be able to perform each and every task which is relevant for the particular business. You can gain informality with the concept and terminology used in the computers. You can explore various methods that information technology can be used to support existing business. You can investigate emerging technology, and hands-on experience and practice related to the application in the software will be given during this particular course. We will also work with some projects. They are very much related and they can utilize the business theories and can convert into a particular process to familiar the candidates with respect to the business process, and work with simple design and development tasks for the main types of the business information system. So finally I would like to thanks and congratulate to all of you. So please join and enjoy this course